Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Looking to move to the country? This one might be for you. Set on 8 acres, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom ranch has extras galore. The current owner of the home has had some handicap accessibility features installed, which include a wheelchair elevator, a wheelchair accessible bathroom, wide door frames, and one of the bedrooms is equipped with a lift. All of the bedrooms have closets and ceiling fans, and the master bedroom has a large walk-in closet. The living room/dining room is spacious, with gorgeous natural light and a ceiling fan. The eat-in kitchen has a breakfast bar, and a stained glass skylight. There are plenty of nooks and crannies throughout for storage. There is a sun porch with access to the yard, and sliding glass doors into the fenced-in area of the backyard. The garage is underneath the house, and is equipped with electric, heat and water, and also offers shop space. There is also a barn.